Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 3rd May. And first of all, national news. PM Modi laid foundation for Ramravati, unveiled 58,000 crore infra projects in Andhra Pradesh. India's forex reserves rose by $1.98 billion to $688.13 billion. National Security Advisory Board reconstituted, former R&AW chief appointed chairman. Well-being of senior citizens essential for guiding families, society, President Draupadi Murmu. Centre deferred May 4 meeting with farmers over participation of Punjab government. Now international news. Trump said he will strip Harvard's tax exempt status. 7.4 magnitude earthquake strike off the southern coast of Chile and Argentina. Pakistan to allow stranded citizens in India return via Wagah border after visa revocations. Israeli military strike near Syria presidential palace after warning over sectarian attack. Top UN court wrapped week of hearings on humanitarian aid to Gaza. Business related news. India and UK seek to clinch trade deal soon. US Vice President Vance said trade deal soon with India. PM Modi, tough negotiator. Adani Ports to invest 13,000 crore rupees to expand capacity at Vizhinjam transshipment port. India's manufacturing sector growth hit 10-month high in April. PMI. And now some sports news. Sai Sudarshan scripted history, beat Sachin Tendulkar to claim sensational T20 record. Don't need him next year. South Africa greats Hughes verdict on MS Dhoni's CSK future. And that's all in news. Thank you.